Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best precious metals commodity Forex brokers. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Avatrade. Avatrade, a leading online trading platform, provides individuals and institutions with access to a diverse range of financial markets. The broker offers a user-friendly interface and cutting-edge trading tools to empower traders of all levels. Whether you are interested in Forex, commodities, stocks, or cryptocurrencies, their platform is designed to meet the diverse needs of the modern investor. With a reputation for reliability and transparency, Avatrade strives to deliver a seamless trading experience, supported by educational resources and responsive customer service. Avatrade offers a variety of market instruments to trade, catering to the various needs of its clients. These include Forex currency pairs, commodities, Forex options, crypto CFDs, indices, ETFs, and bonds. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade Options, Avatrade's Web Trader, as well as automated trading through DupliTrade and ZuluTrade. With a selection of versatile and robust trading platforms, Avatrade empowers its users to trade with confidence. Accounts are available on retail, multi-account manager, and professional accounts, with demo and Islamic account options. Avatrade's account types are structured to provide flexibility and customization, ensuring that traders of varying levels of expertise can find an account that aligns with their trading goals. The broker is dedicated to empowering traders with a wealth of educational resources as well, recognizing the importance of knowledge in successful trading. Avatrade provides a comprehensive range of educational materials suitable for traders of all levels. The platform offers informative articles, video tutorials, and webinars covering various aspects of trading, from fundamental concepts to advanced strategies. These resources are designed to enhance traders' understanding of the financial markets. Overall, Avatrade stands as a premier online trading platform, committed to providing a holistic and empowering experience for traders around the world. With a diverse range of trading instruments, user-friendly platforms, and flexible account options, Avatrade caters to the needs of both novice and experienced traders. Backed by transparency, reliability, and innovation, Avatrade invites users to explore the world of online trading with confidence. Whether you are looking to diversify your portfolio, engage in Forex trading, or delve into the exciting realm of cryptocurrencies, Avatrade offers a robust platform for traders to navigate and capitalize on global market opportunities. At number 4 on our list is CMC Markets. CMC Markets has been in operation since 1989 and is one of the most reputable online brokers in the United Kingdom. CMC Markets is a multi-award-winning market maker that has regulation and authorization in several regions. CMC Markets is one of the few brokers that is listed on the London Stock Exchange, and throughout the years, the broker has become a leading and trusted provider of CFD financial instruments and spread betting options. Specializing in trading and offering services through more than 9,000 tradable instruments, covering Forex, indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, shares, and treasuries. Featured platform is available on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform as well as their very own next-generation trading platform and mobile applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on CFD and corporate accounts, with no minimum deposits, lower spreads, access to over 9,000 products, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, customer support, and so much more. CMC Markets also provides their very own educational learning center, which includes beginner's guides to Forex trading and strategies, a variety of webinars you can sign up to, as well as a comprehensive list of trading ebooks for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with CMC Markets.
Coming in at number 3, we have XTB. XTB is a globally recognized online trading platform offering access to a wide range of financial markets. Established in 2002, the company has grown into one of the world's leading brokers, providing innovative trading solutions through its proprietary XStation platform. XTB is regulated by top-tier financial authorities and serves traders across multiple countries. The broker is committed to empowering traders of all experience levels with advanced tools, educational resources, and competitive trading conditions. The broker offers a wide range of trading instruments, giving traders access to global financial markets. The broker provides trading in Forex, indices, commodities, stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies, allowing for portfolio diversification across different asset classes. XTB offers advanced and user-friendly trading platforms designed to enhance the trading experience for both beginners and professionals. Their flagship platform, XStation, provides intuitive navigation, advanced charting tools, real-time market analysis, and fast trade execution. Available on desktop, web, and mobile devices, XStation ensures seamless access to global markets anytime, anywhere. Additionally, the broker also provides trading through the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. XTB offers flexible trading account types designed to suit the needs of different traders, whether for beginners or experienced professionals. Their accounts feature competitive spreads, fast execution, and access to a wide range of financial instruments. These accounts include the standard and pro trading account types, with demo and Islamic account options. The broker offers comprehensive educational resources to support traders at all experience levels. The broker provides free courses, webinars, market analysis, and trading guides to help traders enhance their skills. Overall, XTB is a trusted and innovative broker that provides traders with a comprehensive range of financial instruments, advanced trading platforms, and valuable educational resources. With its focus on security and customer support, XTB offers a seamless trading experience for both beginners and experienced traders, whether through competitive account types, expert market analysis, or powerful tools. XTB is dedicated to helping traders achieve their financial goals in the dynamic world of online trading. At number 2 on our list is IG. IG is a leading online trading and investment platform, providing a comprehensive suite of financial products and services to traders and investors. IG empowers users to engage in a diverse range of financial markets, and as a leading player in the financial industry, their platform offers a user-friendly interface coupled with advanced trading features to facilitate seamless and informed decision-making. IG has positioned itself as a trusted partner for those seeking to navigate the complexities of the global financial markets. The broker offers a diverse array of trading instruments on its platform, offering a variety of options for individuals and institutions. And these instruments include Forex currency pairs, indices, shares, commodities, cryptocurrencies, futures, and options. This extensive range allows users to tailor their portfolios to their specific investment goals and risk preferences. With competitive spreads and leverage options, IG provides a versatile and dynamic trading environment for both seasoned investors and newcomers alike. IG offers a diverse range of cutting-edge trading platforms, tailored to cater to the varied needs of traders. These platforms are designed to provide seamless and intuitive experiences, empowering traders with advanced tools and features, and includes the IG proprietary trading application, MetaTrader 4, auto trading through Pro Real-Time, and more. Whether traders are beginners or seasoned professionals, IG's trading platforms aim to deliver a seamless and efficient trading experience, ensuring accessibility and functionality for all. They also provide a range of trading account types designed to meet the diverse needs of traders on their platform. Their accounts include spread betting and CFD leveraged accounts, share dealing accounts, stock accounts, the IG Smart Portfolio account, and the Smart Portfolio ISA account, with demo and Islamic account options. Each account type comes with unique features and advantages, allowing traders to align their choice with their specific trading objectives and preferences. They also provide a wealth of educational material aimed to enhancing market knowledge and refining trading skills. The educational resources cover a wide spectrum of topics, including foundational concepts, advanced strategies, risk management, technical analysis, and more. Through a variety of engaging formats such as video tutorials, webinars, and interactive courses, IG ensures that traders of all levels can access valuable insights and knowledge to make informed decisions in the financial markets. Whether for beginners or experienced traders, IG's dedication to education makes it a valuable destination for those looking to continually develop their trading expertise. Overall, IG stands as a prominent and trusted online trading platform dedicated to meeting the diverse needs of traders of all skill levels. With a user-friendly interface, a comprehensive array of trading instruments, advanced platforms, and a commitment to trader education through their academy, the platform provides a holistic and empowering experience for individuals navigating the financial markets. Whether one is a novice or an experienced trader, IG's commitment to transparency, innovation, and education positions it as a reliable partner for those seeking success in the dynamic world of online trading. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best precious metals commodity forex brokers, we have Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is a leading global brokerage firm that provides a comprehensive range of financial services to individuals and institutional investors. Known for its advanced trading technology, the firm offers access to a wide array of asset classes, including stocks, options, futures, Forex, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and commodities, across more than 150 markets worldwide. The platform also supports cryptocurrency trading through select providers. With competitive pricing and advanced trading tools, Interactive Brokers enables investors to trade a wide variety of assets efficiently and strategically. Interactive Brokers provides a suite of powerful trading platforms designed to meet the needs of both beginner and professional traders. Their flagship Trader Workstation offers advanced charting, market analysis tools, and algorithmic trading capabilities. The Interactive Brokers client portal provides a user-friendly web-based platform for managing accounts and executing trades. For traders on the go, their mobile app delivers a seamless trading experience on smartphones and tablets. Additionally, the Interactive Brokers APIs allow for custom trading solutions and automated strategies. Interactive Brokers offers a variety of trading account types, tailored to the needs of individual traders, investors, and institutions. Individual and joint accounts are available for retail traders, while institutional accounts cater to hedge funds, financial advisors, and proprietary trading firms. The platform also provides specialized accounts, including retirement accounts, trust accounts, and accounts for small businesses. With flexible funding options and competitive pricing, Interactive Brokers ensures that clients can choose the account that best suits their trading and investment goals. Interactive Brokers offers a wide range of educational resources to help traders and investors enhance their knowledge and skills. The Interactive Brokers campus provides webinars, courses, and trading guides covering various financial topics. The Traders Academy offers structured lessons on trading strategies, market analysis, and platform tutorials. Additionally, clients can access market commentary, research reports, and real-time news updates. With these comprehensive learning tools, Interactive Brokers supports traders at all levels of experience in making informed investment decisions. And those are some of the top 5 best precious metals commodity forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.